my name is Devarati Sarkar and I bring to you my point of view on Renault Triber. Hope these information will be little useful for you. So, earlier I used to ride Chevrolet Beat and this is my second car. And before buying it, I had done a lot of researches and, took a lot of advices from my friends, from my, my colleagues, from the internet. And this time I wanted to have a bigger one, a little, where my family can fits in, SUV types, because I have my two pets and I have my elder parents. Since COVID has given us a different level of, taking care of yourself, like maintaining distance and hygiene. So these days, owning a car or bike is no more a, luxury, but a basic requirement. So, and especially when you have elders at home, so you need to avoid public transport. So on the other side, for a middle class family, we need to calculate our budget. So on the other words, something like sasta tikau, and car is something which remains with you serving minimum 8 to 10 years. So hence buying a car, you need to take care every bit of it. A lot of people said Triber as a 7-seater spacey car, so much space inside, have, small tires, having only 1000cc engine, and keeping in mind everything, I will share you my experience, and then probably you people watching me there can take your decision much, on a firm way. Recently, I went to Meghalaya, driving this up on the hills, and went Darjeeling as well, which is too slopey, bad roads, zigzag ways, and Darjeeling is 6,700 feet, and I drove with 5 person and 2 pets. So eventually, I did not when putting the AC on, as it was anyways very cold, and it was at the winter times with almost below 5 degrees. And however, I went to Sealand also, and with 7 person, with both the ACs on, the front and the back. And it, of course, it may not fulfill your 120 kilometers speed satisfaction, but there's a saying, itna paisa mein itna inch milenga. So I know I used to drive speed, and after Beat, Triber does upset me on speed, because 1000cc with both the AC on. But if you see the price for it, the entire package, you cannot train to have everything, bro. I mean, so you need to compromise a little bit on overall, at times. Renault Triber not only have plenty of space inside, but if you kind of install a carrier up there, then probably you can have a lot of space. You can keep your baggages and big things up, and a lot of space can, you can use a lot of space inside the car. And and the best part is the back seats, you can adjust your ways, as per your requirements and stuff like. So cut this story short, for family and friends, this is the most affordable car, and if I compare with the package. See, Renault Triber is not a stable car, and only a myth, marketing myth present in India. And 7-seater price at this cheap price does come with its disadvantages. And a practical car is meant for family. So this comes with a great space and multiple best-in-class features. So now I had said whatever I had to, my viewpoints. Now ultimate decision is all yours, because you need to check what to do, like, on the price and on the space. And so आपको तय करना है. So all the best if at all you're searching for a new car. Hope you have a lovely ride ahead. Happy driving.